Carbonado, also known as black diamond, is one of the rarest and most mysterious gemstones found on Earth. Unlike traditional clear diamonds, Carbonado has a dark, opaque appearance and is composed of numerous tiny diamond crystals fused together. Its origin is still debated, with some scientists suggesting it may have even come from outer space through meteorites. If you have a stone that you suspect might be Carbonado, here are some simple home methods to help you identify it. 1. Check the appearance. Color and texture. Carbonado diamonds are usually black, dark grey, or sometimes brownish. They have a porous or grainy texture, unlike smooth glass or onyx. Shine. Unlike clear diamonds, black diamonds have a metallic, almost graphite-like luster, rather than a brilliant sparkle. Number 2. Hardness test, scratch test. Diamonds, including Carbonado, are the hardest natural material, 10 on the Mohs scale. Try scratching your suspected stone against a piece of glass, quartz, or steel. A real Carbonado will easily scratch these surfaces without being damaged itself. Be careful, do not try scratching with other gemstones, as you might damage them. Number 3. Heat resistance test. Real Carbonado diamonds can withstand very high temperatures without damage. You can carefully heat the stone with a lighter for 30 to 60 seconds, then drop it into cold water. If it is genuine Carbonado, it will remain unchanged. Fake stones, such as glass, may crack or shatter. Use extreme caution with this test to avoid injury. Number 4. Weight and density. Carbonado is denser than most black-colored gemstones. If you have a very precise scale, compare the weight of your stone with a similar-sized piece of quartz or glass. The Carbonado will usually feel heavier. 5. Look for porous structure. Under a magnifying glass, you may notice small holes, pits, or a porous surface. This is unique to Carbonado and not found in standard diamonds or glass imitations. 6. Conductivity test, optional if tools available. Black diamonds, unlike clear diamonds, can conduct electricity slightly due to their graphite inclusions. If you have access to a diamond tester with electrical conductivity mode, it might help confirm authenticity. 7. Seek professional confirmation. Even though these home tests can give you clues, the final confirmation should be done by a gemologist. They use advanced tools like Raman spectroscopy and X-ray analysis to confirm whether the stone is a true Carbonado. Conclusion. By checking its color, texture, hardness, heat resistance, weight, and porous structure, you can get a good idea if your stone is a real Carbonado black diamond. Still, for valuable gemstones, always consider a professional appraisal to avoid mistakes.